Dumela, greetings, and rumela, moredi ko lapeng. We're out here in the Khansi district celebrating the National Arts Festival 2022, courtesy of the Ministry of Youth, Gender, Sports, and Culture. Thank you for joining us for yet another exciting episode as we celebrate the polka and namastep competitions for this year. On today's episode, we'll be focusing on Namastap, and it's yet to be very, very exciting. The first group on stage will be Koi Sip from Tsabong. Don't go anywhere. Are you getting ready to say I do? Ready to make a big commitment to the love of your life? My name is Masego Mohwasa, and I'm going to give you different tips to make sure that your special day goes by smoothly. Don't go anywhere. I'll be giving you wedding tips in 5 minutes. What's good, everybody? My name is Masego Mohwasa, and you're watching Feedback. Of course, I'm not alone. I'm joined by the ever so beautiful
Mudira Jonkusulafeti, here to bring you the real diamonds of Botswana, our musicians here, born and bred.
Exactly, and you know us. What we do on the show is we delve into the stories behind the music and the videos of your favorite local hip-hop, R&B, and whatever genre you're into artists, right?
Definitely so. Stay tuned as we have Links in the studio giving us a very good performance.
Definitely. Don't go anywhere. There's absolutely no downplaying the impact that the MultiChoice Talent Factory has had on my life. Outside of honing my creative skills, it's definitely opened my eyes up to the business of film, not just on the continent, but across the globe. It's an experience that I wish all Botswana could have, especially because it opens your eyes up to the value chain of the business. Having written and directed the short film Cradle, which is now on Showmax, and also having written and directed 4 on-air promos, which are now showing on DSTV, I can't thank MultiChoice enough for giving me the confidence to believe in what I do. If you want the same experience for yourself, go on www.multichoicetalentfactory.com and apply now. Good morning, Bambino. Dumelang Botswana ko lapeng.
Good morning, Masego.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And how are you, Masego?
I'm great. Do you know what we're going to be talking about today?
No, I don't know what we're talking about today. Please do tell me.
On this episode, we are going to be talking about the president of Botswana. Did you know that Botswana has had 5 presidents in total until now?
Really? Please tell me more.
A wise man once said, "Scars are normal, they make you heal." And while that is all very true, imagine a product that could make you heal all your unwanted flaws, scars and all. Hi everyone, my name is Masego Mohwasa from Pristine Magazine, and today I'll be reviewing one of the most popular skincare ranges in the market right now. It's Celltone Skincare. We had one of our readers try out both the snail gel and the tissue oil. Check out the results. Hi, I'm Masego Mohwasa and welcome to the whole show. A showcase at how young Botswana in the 21st century have decided to use cyberspace as a tool for marketing and expression. This is my very handsome co-host, Takwinda Hove. Takwi, tell the people what we'll be talking about.